up na gifts.
Thank you.
And speaking of birthday gifts, itong susunod na ipapakilala po natin is a gift from God para sa ating Ate Shawi. So, here to give her gift by way of a song,
Naku.
please welcome none other than a loving daughter, Miss Casey Concepcion.
Ay, hindi pa ba ito yung duet, anak? Oh my God, kamukhang-kamukha ko siya! Ay, baby ko! I've never been the one to raise my hand. That was not me. But now that's who I am. Because of you, I am standing tall. My heart is full of endless gratitude. You were the one to guide me through. Now I can see, and I believe that's what we dream about. But the only question with me now, do I make you proud? It's stronger than I've ever been now. Never been afraid of standing out. Do I make you proud? Stronger than I've ever been now. Never been afraid of standing out. Do I make you proud? This is what we dream about. But the only question is now, do I make you Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You're so